How to download large apps on cellular data on any iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the very bottom of the page and tap on Apps. This section lists all your installed applications, allowing you to manage individual settings for each one. Now, tap on App Store. You are now in the App Store settings page. From here, you can manage settings for automatic downloads, updates, and your mobile data. Here, scroll down to the mobile data section and tap on App Downloads. On this page, change the settings to Always Allow, located at the very top. This will allow all apps to download automatically using mobile data. Following these steps, you can easily download large apps on cellular data on any iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.